Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another 31 days of Halloween look, and if you can't tell by my costume, I am an angel. This costume is another old dance costume I had that I am repurposing, plus some custom made wings that I made myself. Unfortunately, I did not film them because this was actually filmed for last year, but I am doing a different set of wings that I have some footage of for you guys. So if you guys like this look or any of the other looks I'm doing for 31 days of Halloween, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single one, and let's get started. Alright, so my base and brows are done, just so I could put the little neck piece on for you guys and not get foundation all over it. So we are going to start with this color here. This is called Whipped Mocha, and it's a NYX color, and we are going to put this in the crease. And I'm using a very small, tiny brush to do this because this is going to be a very intense cut crease, and I want it to be very visible. I'm keeping this pretty light because we are going to add glitter into the mix, and I want that glitter to really pop and shine through. But it's kind of a bronzy gold, so this color will complement nicely as a base underneath. So now to blend this out, I'm going to take a Morphe 416, I believe. Oh, I'm sorry, 562 brush, and just give this a nice little blend so everything is soft. Everything's going to be soft and round and angelic looking. That's what we're looking for because we are an angel. Underneath the eyebrow, I'm just going to highlight a little bit. This is called Cookie Cutter. It's another NYX shade. And I'm just going to put this on a flat brush and then pack it on top. So to cut the crease, I'm going to be taking some glitter glue from Too Faced, and I'm going to be using my Sin Cosmetics glitter, and this is in the color Serve, and it's actually got some like bronze, some hollows, some really pretty mixtures of glitter. So that is going to be our crease cut. So I'm just using this, putting some on the back of my hand just so it's nice and clean, and we're going to cut this out here. For the lid, I'm going to use the Stila Kitten eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pack this on. For the liner, I'm going to take a brown pencil, and this one is from Physicians Formula. I'm not going to do a wing, I'm just going to define the eyes really basic. So I'm not going to put on any false lashes. I'm just going to curl my natural ones because I don't want the eyes or anything in the look to get too heavy, so that it pulls away from like this really heavenly vibe we're going with. And I'm going to use some Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. So now to make my face look more round, I do have a naturally round face, so this isn't going to be too hard. I'm just going to take this Bella Bomba blush and pack this on the apples of my cheeks. For the highlight, we're going to do 2 steps. I'm going to take this liquid highlight from the Beauty Crop called the Lighting Crew, and just take a little bit of it on my sponge and dab it in the places that I want it. So we're gonna do the cheekbones, on the tip of the nose to make it look really rounded, and then tapping it on the chin here. Now to intensify it, I'm going to take the Mary Luminizer, which is a powder highlight, and put it on top of all of those places we just put it. Now for lips, we're going to do a bit of a combo. I am going to take Bedtime Flirt from NYX. This is one of their lip lingeries. And we're just going to put this on the outside corners of the lip. Then I'm going to take Baby Doll. This is another liquid lip. This is another lip lingerie from NYX, and we're going to put this in the middle. Now over top of that in the center, I'm going to use this Stila lip gloss in Splendor. And this is just a little more pink and has some gold glitter. Alright everyone, so this is the finished look with the wig, costume, and wings that I made myself out of paper plates. I don't have really any way to attach them, so I'm kind of just holding them here. But they do flap when I move. But they were just some paper plates and gold sparkly spray paint. And they look really pretty on, actually. The camera's not really showing you all of them, but yeah, so this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this 31 days of Halloween makeup tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.